Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys Fytoo glasses. Now they sent me a few glasses to review for them. So of course I have a coupon code for you guys. It's Abby10, but I will mention again at the end of this video as well in the description box. So as you guys may or may not know, I am a glasses wearer right now. It's kind of blurry to see, but you know, I'm just standing in front of the camera. So that's number one. Number two, I often change my glasses. Like, I have so many glasses because I like to change the style of my glasses often. So that's why I was interested when they reached out to me. So let's go straight into it. So the box came like this. It says Fytoo Better Glasses, Clearer World. So this is the first one. The first one. So each comes in a baggie. It says Fytoo on it. I'm going to only show the baggie once because they all come in the same one. I did take a glance at it. And then, so it comes with the pouch, and then they all come in a bag like this. So this is the first one. So I'm going to take it out in the bag. They all come in a Ziploc bag like that. And then something else, they cover it up with like this tape. I guess just so that it keeps so if you wear glasses, oftentimes, sometimes after a while, sometimes you accidentally scratch it or get scratching. So I think they put this over it to kind of just help. So I think that's great. So then it keeps the frame clear. Now this is the first set of glasses. I will leave the names and everything of it because I'm currently don't have my phone next to me, so the names of everything I'll have it on the screen, and they'll also be in the description box. But these are the first ones. Now, to also mention before I show you all the glasses, I got 6. 4 are have my prescription and 2 don't. So 2 of my sunglasses are just regular sunglasses. 1 has my actual prescription for distance, and then the other 3 all have the actual like regular glasses all have my prescription, just to know. So yes, now I can see clear again. I can see clearly now. Okay, anyway, before I get copyrighted. So this is the first pair. I really like these. I've had glasses similar to this. Hopefully you guys can see it. I know it's probably going to have a glare because I have my ring light on, and that's where sometimes I stop wearing my glasses. But this is what they look like. They're like a cream colored. I like the sides. This I think I like so far. We'll see as we go through. Is this one, like I said, I'm just gonna take them out of the bag. Now I showed you guys already what the pouch looks like. They all came in the pouch, and they all came in a Ziploc bag. So I don't want to prolong this, keep on showing you the bag. You guys saw the first one, so I'm just gonna keep on moving on to the next one. So these are the next one. These are thicker frames. This is just a regular black one. Can't go wrong with black glasses. Again, they have the tape on it. So I'm just going to put the tape here on the side for now. This is what it looks like up close. And then the sides kind of have like a cool different design. What I will say is so far I like the designs. They're different. The sides of the frame, as you guys can see, is like thick on one part half, and then it's thin on the other, and it has like these 2 holes on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me go ahead and try these. So I like these as well. They're like cute glasses. I'm kind of contemplating if I want to switch to these. I currently have like square frame glasses that I got in my prescription. That was because I just got my New York prescription like in December. So this is what they look like. I do like these, and like I said, I like the sides. How it has like, it's different. It starts like a thick frame first, and then it goes to like a thinner frame. So this is that one. Hopefully I'm showing you guys good. I hope I see. That's why I'm saying next to the camera. These are also prescribed glasses, yes. So these are definitely different. I never had this shape before, but I liked the design. So we'll see how I like these on me. So far I like the first 2. I like the first 2. I like the black one. It's simplistic, but I like I feel like what makes it unique is the side. And then the first one, I like the design of it. That's what makes it different and unique, I would say. So this one, what I think is different, it's because it's like really tiny. The frames are tiny. That's what makes it different, I feel like. But yeah, let me go ahead and try these. I think it's a hexagon shape. Now I have to think about math. Alright. Now these are definitely different It's like, because it comes like this. I've never had a frame like this, so it's different. It's gonna take some time getting used to, but I do like, what drew me to it was the pattern. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I had a glasses similar to this pattern, but it broke. As far as the pattern, like, it's kind of like, I think it's leopard print if I'm not mistaken. The sides are like a thinner frame, not as thin as the first one, if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see it, but let me show you guys a closer up so you guys can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like in the front, and then these are the sides. Now these are the sunglasses. Now this one I know for certain is not the prescribed one. This is just a regular sunglasses, but the shape was different. I thought it was cute. So all summer, if I just keep on changing my sunglasses, you know why. I have so many sunglasses. I feel like I need to go through my sunglasses. So again, they come with this just to protect the frame, which I think this is a great choice, because the glasses that I normally, the online store that I normally buy glasses from, they don't give you that extra protections. They just give it to you in the cloth bag. But I like that they give it to you. They put a seal over it. They also give you the cloth bag, and they put it in a Ziploc bag. So it's like double the protection. So this is the first pair of glasses. Alright, this is what it looks like. I think it's different. I don't think I've ever had this shape before. So even though this is not, funny enough, I don't know, maybe I think it has some type of lighting on it, because I feel like I can kind of see, but I don't. Does that make sense? I don't even know if that makes sense. But I know this is definitely not my prescribed glasses, because it's still a little blurry. But I think it has some like tint on it. That's what I'm seeing, because I noticed like it's a little tint. But this is the side of them so that you guys can see. And this is the other side. But you know, if I want to be bougie in my glasses all summer, I can't wait for summer, because summer, you know, I'm off. So, you know, wear sunglasses. We haven't gotten to the prescribed one yet. This one is just like, I think I have sunglasses a little bit similar to this frame. And honestly and truly, can't go wrong with a lot of sunglasses. Why not? So this one, this is definitely tinted as well. It's kind of like half frame, if that makes sense. So it's not fully frame. I think they call it half rimmed. I don't remember. There's a name for that. These are definitely feel like it's tinted, which is good for like the sun when it's like really sunny. You can't see anything. They're just black with like, I feel like a gold accent. Yes. So these are what they look like. I feel like these are cute too. They are, let's see. Now they actually chose which ones they want to give me the prescribed one. I didn't get, that's the only thing I didn't select. I got to select all the frames, but I'm glad the person actually chose these for the sunglasses, because I think they're really cute, and it's cute to wear them and be able to see in them. That's the biggest thing. So they're brown. They're kind of like cat eye sunglasses, I would say. Ooh, I can see. I love when I can see. So these are the prescribed ones. I can see clearly like my regular glasses. They also have the tint as well, so to keep my eyes from the sun. This is what they look like. See the brown. But these are like, yeah, cat eye glasses, sunglasses. So I really like these as well. Never ever purchased from Fytoo. This was the first time I heard of them when they reached out to me, and I'm actually a person who buys glasses online, so this is up my alley, and this is what I'm sharing for people who actually buy their glasses online, because I have not bought my glasses from a regular eye store for like years. The only time I did was recently, only because it was like covered under my insurance. But other than that, I normally just buy it online because it's way more affordable in my opinion. So anyway, so first things first, they just have like a little pamphlet here. It just explains who they are, where you can find them on social media. And then again, like I said, they're online professional glasses store, so you can get your glasses with your prescription. The thing is, once you have your prescription, you get it from your optometrist, yeah, that's how you say it, you can use it on the online store once you have your prescription. But you have to put the correct one, because if you don't, of course, you won't have the one. So, like I said, they have different ones. Just to note too, they have, like I said, they have women's glasses, they have men's glasses. They also have kids glasses. I actually didn't read that part before. Like I said, so they have single vision, they have progressive, they have readers. So if you just need it for reading glasses, they'll do that as well. They have non-prescription as well. So lens without this prescription, if you're like, you just want it for like, just be cute, because I know some people wear glasses just for trend, not necessarily because they need prescribed glasses. And then they have blue light, they have photochromic, they have polarized sunglasses, tinted, mirrored, colorblind, you name it. And then they also tell you that there's a 365-day frame guarantee, 30-day easy return and exchange. And then they also give you tips on how to wear it. So wear your glasses with both hands, keep your lenses clean, wipe the lenses with the soft lens cloth, and then put your glasses in the glass spots when you're not wearing them. That's something that I try to do, but I always forget, and I feel like that's what makes my lenses dirty faster. So that tip is really true, to keep it like in the cloths, just to keep it away from dirt and dust. It says avoid using glasses during sports, and do not place your glasses in extremely cold or hot temperatures. That's actually something good to note for anybody. But next thing that I saw, which a lot of eyeglasses places give you, is like this thing. So pretty much, as you guys can see, it's the cloth, it's a cleaning cloth, and it also comes with, and I like how it comes in a nice little neat bag, so you can't lose it. So this is the cleaning cloth, and it says Fytoo on it. Hold on, I'm trying to show you guys without dropping this. Just a regular cleaning cloth. And then it also has this thing. So this is a screwdriver if you've ever had some, any type of glasses. Pretty much when your frames start getting loose, you can use these to screw the sides. I have had to do that in the past before, when it starts getting really loose. So I've used this before, and I think it has two different sides. I don't know, it depends on which type of glasses, how they make it, which type of screw it's made with, but they normally give you the screw for which glasses. I think it's interchangeable, you can use it for all. Anything else you can use on your next purchase. So I got a little card, but again, you can use my code Abby10 for money off your purchase. That is all I have to say about these glasses. Like I said, I love buying online glasses anyway. I love switching up my glasses. If you know me, I switch up my glasses, especially my prescription glasses. I stretch them a lot. So this is the perfect thing. If you want affordable glasses, you can check them out. If you didn't know you could buy online glasses, believe it or not, some people don't know. They were for a while, I didn't know, but until somebody else told me. So I highly recommend checking out Fytoo. That's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell next to so that you know every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.